Okay, so for example number 5, we have 5 buttons at the bottom. Click a button, it shows a dinosaur of that color. That's pretty much it. 5 buttons. We got a green and a red and a gray and let's call it a light green and a light blue dinosaurs. Okay, let's jump in it. And like always, the website scratch.mit.edu. Get rid of the cat. We're going to grab some new sprites and we're just going to start with the button, the nice round green button. Okay, move the button to the corner and change the size from 100 to 50. Excellent. And move it nice in the corner so everything fits. Copy that button, right click and duplicate that button. So we have 5 buttons. They will all look the same and we're going to change their color in a bit. Line them all up at the bottom. Yeah, take your time to make sure they're all neatly organized at the bottom. It doesn't have to look perfect, but they should be in order 1 to 5. That's the most important thing. Okay, and just to make it easy for us, what we're going to do next is when they're all lined up nicely, what we're going to do is we're going to give each button a different color. These colors don't matter, they're just to help us in this project, but later we'll come in and fix it. So just give any colors, don't worry about how they look or the border, just make any 5 random colors. Yeah, we'll come back in later when we know which dinosaurs are where and fix it. Okay, we got a second button, and now we'll color the third button. And remember, the colors at first don't matter. We're just coloring it so we know that they're different buttons and we can organize it nicely. Okay, button 4, make up a color for button 4. Excellent. Okay, excellent. And it doesn't matter, light or darker. Okay, blue, great. And button number 5, so click the sprite, click the fill color, and with the paint can, we're going to color the middle green. Okay, those are the 5 buttons. Okay, now with the first button, go to the code tab. Okay, and in the events, we're going to do when this sprite is clicked, meaning when you click the button, broadcast message 1. So when you click button 1, it broadcasts message 1. Okay, now the same thing. When this sprite is clicked, it's going to broadcast message 2. So you need to make a new message, write the word message 2, and push OK. And message 3 the same. Message 1 they give you, the rest you have to make. So when this sprite is clicked is an event, and we're going to broadcast message 3. Button 3 is broadcasting message 3, make a new message, call it message 3. And button 4, when this sprite is clicked, it's going to broadcast message 4. So we'll go new message, message 4, excellent. And button number 5, click on it, and when this sprite is clicked, broadcast message 5. Okay, that's so new message, message 5. So we have 5 buttons and 5 messages. Okay, great. Now come back in. We're going to now paint our, like we always do. I'm going to make a little title at the top, just so we know, just to make it easy for everyone. We'll have a nice title and an example number. This makes it easy to find the video later. Okay, so this example is called 5 buttons. We're going to use the T button to write it, move it, center it, position it, organize it nicely so it all fits together. Perfect. And we're going to say in black, let's write with example number 5. Okay, and stretch it from the corner to get the font bigger. Excellent. Okay, so we're ready to go. Okay, now what we're going to do is, now come back in the sprites and we're going to click on animals and let's look at the 5 dinosaurs we got. Dinosaur 1, Dinosaur 2, Dinosaur 3, Dinosaur 4, and Dinosaur 5. They all have fun animations, but we're not going to worry about the different animations at the moment just to see them. Okay, grab Dinosaur 1 and position him. Okay, then we're going to go back to the cat plest, and in the animals, we're going to click on Dinosaur 2, adds Dinosaur 2, position him in the similar feet in the same place. Excellent. And back in cat plest, search for animals at the top and Dinosaur 3. Excellent. And position him in the same kind of place. They're all overlapping. Animals and Dinosaur 4. Excellent. And line it up. And we're going to choose a sprite, click on animals, and we're going to go dinosaur number 5. Okay, we got all 5 dinosaurs. Now, very important, click on dinosaur 1. Now come back. This is in the code. We're going to say when the space key is pressed, in the purple looks, we're going to hide it. So spacebar hides all the dinosaurs. That'll hide dinosaur 1. And then after we hide it, when I receive message 1, meaning when button 1 is clicked, show dinosaur 1. So spacebar hides it, so copy the spacebar, drag and drop into dinosaur 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we're copying it, we're drag and dropping that into all the 5 dinosaurs. So when you click spacebar, it's going to hide the dinosaurs. So I click spacebar and it hid them all. Now drag and drop when I receive the message, it'll show it. And again, it's going to say message 1, drag it into all 5 dinosaurs, and we'll change it after. When I receive message 1, show. When I receive message 1, show, etc., etc. Now if you click on dinosaur 2, spread it out. Click on dinosaur 3, spread it out. You got to spread them out. Click on dinosaur 4. These are the drag and drops. You got to spread them out. And dinosaur 5, spread them out. Yeah, a little different. Okay. Now what we have to do is we got to go back. Dinosaur 1 says, when I receive message 1, show. But all the other dinosaurs also say, when I receive message 1, show. So we got to go to dinosaur 2 and change when I receive message 2, show my dinosaur. When I receive message 3, meaning button 3 is clicked, show it. When I receive message 4, when button 4 is clicked, show dinosaur 4. And when button 5 is clicked, when I receive message 5, show it. Okay, I'm just repositioning the title below. So each dinosaur should now line up. The colors don't line up right now, but that's the next step, is to line up all the right colors with the right dinosaurs. So right now it does work. The only problem is the orange button gives you a red dinosaur, the red button gives you a gray dinosaur, etc. So now we got to come back in and make sure that the right colors line up with the right dinosaurs. Okay, very good. Keep going. So in the costumes, don't forget we'll use the paint can. And let's say this dinosaur is green. So we're going to organize the colors to get something that kind of matches. And you take your time to make it match, and then paint the inside and outside of the button with the same color. Good. Now button 2 is going to give us the red dinosaur, remember? So button 2 lines up with dinosaur 2. So we got to come back in. Now we don't want green, we want red. Okay, excellent. So using the paint can, color the inside of the button, outside the button red. Good. Button 3 is going to give us a gray dinosaur when you click it. So we got to come back in and change the color to make it gray again. Excellent. Okay, make it gray inside and out. Okay, button number 4, the dinosaur is, let's say, light green. Okay, so I'm just trying to get the right matching light green color. Okay, and button inside and out. Very good. And then the last dinosaur we'll say is light blue. So when you turn the button, light blue. Paint can, colors, look for the right color that matches. Excellent. Take your time to make it match as best you can, inside and out. We'll color it light blue. Excellent. And now, if you click each button, you will see the right dinosaur pop up, and push spacebar to hide it. Click on the button to show it. Excellent. And we are just about done to put on some final touches. Let's just write a little new sprite where we're going to have it say, click a button to see a dinosaur. Excellent. And drag that down on the bottom, and it shouldn't be red, it should just be black because we don't want any color there. And once we change it to black, we are done. Let's watch it in full screen. And if we click green, red, gray, light green, and light blue, one dinosaur to see it, you click the button, spacebar to hide it. Excellent. One more time. Dinosaur 1, dinosaur 2, dinosaur 3, dinosaur 4, and dinosaur 5. Excellent. Thanks for joining me in example number 5.